In this video today, I'm going to show you the difference between three different clamping mechanisms. We've got the Spinfire standard clamp, we've got the Spinfire automatic base clamp, and we've got the Spinfire premium clamp kit. So to begin with, I'm going to talk about the standard clamp. So this clamp here has 360-degree turn, as they all do. And really the difference between this one and the higher level versions is the locking mechanism. So basically when you want to lock it, you use this spring-loaded lever. You can see it bounces back. And basically how hard you lock it determines how tight it's going to hold onto the track. So if I only tighten it a little bit, I can still move it, which is not great. So you have to remember to lock it nice and tight to the point where you can't move it anymore. So it's just something to be aware of, not particularly a big deal. Then as you upgrade to the automatic base clamp, you can see the difference here is that when you lock it onto the string, you have to imagine we've got a racket here and I've just clamped on the string, you can then lock that, into position. So you can see I didn't have to tighten it harder or looser. It is what it is. It's either locked or it's unlocked. And when you want to release it, you just press the button. So you've got locked, unlocked. Now the other beautiful thing about this one is that when you're finished and you release this off the string, you can drop it and it will unlock the clamp for you. So that's a really, really nice time saver. Then as we move on to the premium clamp kit, what you're going to notice here, and I'm not sure if you can see this in the video, but the quality of the finish of this track. So you're going to get the track, the automatic base clamp, and the clamp. So all three parts are completely different to these. They are manufactured in Taiwan at one of the best stringing machine factories in the world. These are made in China. So this is a completely different kit, and it does fit straight onto one of these machines with the straight track. So this is a Spinfire Flame. It is compatible with quite a few machines. So this is the same kit that's used on the high-end Spinfire Furnace stringing machine. So if you upgrade this, you're going to get a premium experience with the way that you string. It's really for stringers who string quite a few rackets per week and really are going to appreciate the high quality components. So you can just notice the way this slides. It's just really nice compared to how these ones over here slide. So that's a great start. Secondly, exactly the same, and I might turn this around just to make it a little easier to see this one. You can see how beautifully it slides. It's got the automatic base clamp. So again, as you've clamped onto the string, you can just release. But also the button for releasing is just a better design. It's just much larger. So if you want to release it that way, it's very simple compared to the one we have over here, which is a lot smaller. So essentially, the clamp, the automatic base clamp, the track, it just upgrades the experience of the clamping mechanism, which is really one of the most important components of a stringing machine, and also the tension head. So it's really worth considering that upgrade, but you can see the difference between your standard base clamp, your automatic base clamp, and your premium clamp kit.